here at FABTECH 2025 in Chicago, Illinois. KUKA Robotics is showcasing a number of different welding robots at our booth, one of which is the Accelerate. It is a pre-made, prefabricated cell for welding.
So this is our new Accelerate cell. That's our pre-engineered welding cell. We've got 3 versions. What you see behind me is the indexing style. It's got a Fronius power source on it, full of powerful arc welding software from KUKA, and really made for small to medium enterprises to automate their welding solutions. Parts are loaded on the index cell. You would have tooling on both sides. While it's welding on the one side, the operator will be loading on the other side. And then once they're ready, they hit the cycle start button. It will index as soon as the other weld is completed, and then they repeat the cycle. This is a customer that would be doing repeat parts over and over. Perfect what robotics is suited for.
The educational cell is our standard product, not just for college and university, but also for training new employees in the industry. The ultrasonic welding we brought this year as kind of niche on the market for EV battery, any aluminum trusses where we can weld without adding material or even oxygen.
So we are partnering with MagSwitch. They use high power magnets to do material handling and part manipulation. That demo has 4 different FABTECH robots working with robo teams, so they're all working in tandem. 2 of them are moving material and 2 of them are showcasing the 2 different welding power supplies and torches to simulate the welding that would happen on ceiling gantries.
KUKA has been friction stir welding for a number of years. And in fact, we're the largest robot friction stir welding company in the world. At FABTECH this year, we have 2 demos that involve friction processes. In our booth here, we have a demo with Bond Technologies, which is using a process called refill friction stir spot welding, which you see behind me. Refill friction stir spot welding is a competitive process to resistance spot welding, but again, it's used on aluminum instead of steel. The other place where you can go to see friction stir welding with KUKA is one of our partner booths, E6. Here we have conventional robot-based linear friction stir welding demonstrated with some of their tool material, which is harder and used for harder metals. There are some materials that either don't like to be welded with traditional processes you're used to. Friction stir welding enables you to weld those materials that are not fusion weldable or not joinable in other manners. The future for friction stir welding is exciting because there's a wide market of products that are going to be using more and more soft metals like aluminum and copper. And friction stir welding is a great technology that can be used on welding those types of materials for lightweighting. KUKA's goal here is to demonstrate how our different technologies can be utilized in manufacturing settings. And what we've done in our booth is come up with a way to demonstrate a number of different processes that we can partner with our industry partners and demonstrate ways that you can use our technologies in your production floor.
Industrial intelligence.